Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix TurboCard app not working. So let's get started. So here you can see the TurboCard app. Okay, so if it's not working you have to follow these steps. So you have to click and hold it here, then you have to click on this I button. Okay, so at here you have to scroll down and see what the storage section. Just click on the storage, then you have to click on the clear data and clear the data of the TurboCard. Okay, then after clearing, then you have to open it. If it's worked, then fine. If it's not worked, you have to open your Google Play Store or search button and search for the TurboCard. For Apple user, then you have to open your Apple Store. Okay, then here check for the update. If the app is updated, then fine. If it's not, you have to update it. After it will work. If it not work, after then you have to reinstall it. So by this way you can just do it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.